I'm Nikki from Healing Me, and this time around we will talk about the store settings. This one is very convenient, especially for the influencers who are also a seller. So this one will help you to sell your products by showing or adding it to the page. So first, find the store tab on the dashboard and click on it. You will see the store settings section and the product link and the store name field. So let's try Nikki Hey Link Me Store and add your store link. There. You can now also choose if your store layout is on the bottom panel, or in the expanded. For the expanded, you can use it if you are a pro users. Let us now proceed with the descriptions. I can simply add makeup and fragrances. So now let's choose different colors for the background and font for your store button. So I choose beige for the store or for the background color, and I choose white for the font color. Now you can add the link to your product. Okay, let's try this. And the name for the example. Okay, so let's now add the image for the image product. And let's say it is worth 100 USD. It is also up to you if you would like to add a category or label. There. And there you go. Our product is ready. And by the way, you can add as many products as you want. And I think that's it. Thank you so much.